At the end of autumn, be sure not to abandon your tunnel as you risk spreading diseases for the next year. It is crucial to maintain the tunnel to prevent any potential health hazards. Under a tunnel, you can grow crops year-round, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh produce regardless of the season. Only when one has finished a season, the summer season, do the old vegetables remain. Vegetables that will rot, that will wither as they freeze. These are vegetables that carry diseases, therefore it is important to remove them at the end of autumn. So, we are going to remove all these vegetables that produced well this summer, such as melons, the very sweet melons, cucumbers grown on trellises whose leaves now resemble tobacco, eggplants, especially because we need to remove the eggplants for a rather simple reason. They are carriers of mites, bell peppers, tomatoes, and squashes whose leaves are infested with powdery mildew. All these vegetables that were grown this summer, which are now at the end of their life, such as zucchinis, can go on the compost pile, even if there are spots of powdery mildew on them. On the other hand, it is preferable to take diseased tomato plants to a waste disposal site, as they may contaminate the compost pile. At the same time, all debris, stakes, and strings used to tie the tomato plants should be removed, along with the hoses and the timer used for watering. It is important to circle the weeds, taking care to remove the seed-bearing weeds that we might find again next year. The soil should be well loosened with a 3-pronged cultivator. In a tunnel setting, I suggest using an electric tiller, especially if your tunnel remains closed, as it does not emit carbon monoxide, unlike a gas engine. We finish our autumn cleaning with a thorough sweeping of the pathways. We will continue under our greenhouse, now cultivating by generously watering our well-prepared soil, so a false sowing of small weeds will emerge after about a week. You will remove them and then you will circle them. And to finish, why not sow your tunnel again during the winter with mashes, spinach, lettuce, 4-season winter lettuce, and radishes.